So hello guys, in this video we will discuss the zoo box timing that is available on the zoo bot on regions of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Bangladesh. So make sure you have liked the video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest update. Let's move on to the video. So guys, join our Telegram channel Katia Daily Combo. Here we will find entire timing of the zoo box appearance on the zoo bot. First of all, first map and first box will appear at 12:25 UTC, which will give you 475 animal feed and available for 30 minutes. For Indian timing, it will be 5:55 p.m. Pakistan timing will be 5:25 p.m. Bangladesh timing will be 6:25 p.m. and Nigeria timing will be 1:25 p.m. Second gift box will appear on 17:45 UTC. It will provide with you 3566 animal feed and duration of it availability is 10 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 11:15 p.m. Pakistan timing will be 10:45 p.m. Bangladesh timing will be 11:45 p.m. and Nigeria timing will be 6:45 p.m. and last box will appear on 19:20 UTC, which will provide you with 1690 animal feed. Duration of availability will be 15 minutes. Indian timing will be 12:50 am. Pakistan timing will be 12:20 am. Bangladesh timing will be 1:20 am and Nigeria timing will be 8:20 pm. So make sure to collect all of these boxes that are available for your zoo to get a good airdrop. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.